KVTs entitle the holder to the largest of all the fee-sharing yields offered by Kinesis, at a proportionate 20% share of all the transaction fees accumulated in the master fee pool. KVTs have been made available by Kinesis as a launchpad to drive participation and adoption of the entire Kinesis system. Kinesis's mission is to impact 1% of the physical gold market over the next 3 years, which currently has an approximate market cap of $7.8 trillion US. We explore a scenario of a 1% infiltration into the physical gold market. So let's break this down for you. If John owns 10 KVTs, he'll receive 20% of the total transaction fee pool, multiplied by the amount of KVTs he holds, divided by the 300,000 tokens that exist. At 1% infiltration, Kinesis would have a market cap of $78 billion of KAU. Now let's talk about velocity. Velocity is the rate at which money changes hands. Velocity in Kinesis is a measure of how much the market cap is being transacted per day. A velocity of 10% in our example would mean that $7.8 billion of KAU was being transacted per day. To calculate the total volume of transactions in a year, we multiply this by 365, giving $2.847 trillion. In this example, the 0.45% transaction fee that would be relevant for sending money locally or internationally is taken into account. The fees on $2.847 trillion in transactions at 0.45% would equal $12,811,500,000. These will go to the master fee pool. From the master fee pool of $12,811,500,000, 20% or $2,562,300,000 will go to KVT holders, which will then be equally divided by 300,000 and then multiplied by the amount of KVTs that you own. So to reiterate, 20% of the master fee pool of $12,811,500,000 equals $2,562,300,000. Therefore, $2,562,300,000 divided by 300,000 KVTs equals $8,541, paid in KAU per KVT. This will be paid monthly to KVT holders' accounts in KAU. The power of the KVT becomes apparent when we look at how Kinesis partnerships, commercial integrations, and government partnerships are all growing and taking shape. We can also see how powerful KVTs could become in the future. The Kinesis Velocity token represents ownership in the growth of the Kinesis system. To get involved, go to kinesis.money.